Welcome to my world. Hi, my name is Shushmita Kandra and I am on a mission to help 100,000 students to achieve their goals, to become success by boosting their memory. So, today I want to discuss about the question how to increase your concentration. This is a very good question to resolve for students, for those students who has no focus on study, or they sit to study but distracted from study and busy with another thing like staring at open window, or busy with gadgets like mobiles, tab, etc. If this happens with you, this video is for you. You could increase your concentration, the power of concentration, and you will be able to increase your concentration. So stay with me. Concentration refers to the mental effort you direct towards whatever you are working on or learning at the moment. It is sometimes confused with attention span, but attention span refers to the length of time you can concentrate on something. Look, I am telling about some factors that affect your concentration. First of all, lack of sleep can affect your concentration. Most people forget things readily than their age. If you have any bad situation or bad things happening with you, it is possible to break concentration. I will share with you some points on how you can improve your concentration. Just try Sudoku, jigsaw puzzles, crossword, word searches, or scramble memory games like sit together with some friends or family members and choose the name of anything. It may be country name or it may be flower name, and tell those names adding previous person's saying name. Brain training games are good for long-term memory. Then number 2, make time for meditation. In the previous video, I have said about practicing meditation. Meditation is a very good memory booster. If you practice meditation every day, you will see a radical changes in your behavior, and you will see you can recall those things which you have learned for long time before. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintain a healthy body is very much important for improving memory. Several studies shows that being obese can actually cause memory related issues, because obesity leads to insulin resistance, which can impact on brain negatively. So do exercise every day. It will be very good if you do some freehand exercise, then pranayam, and then meditation. It will be perfect. Keep time for those. Get enough sleep. If you want a healthy body and healthy mind, you need to get enough sleep. Sleep plays an important role in memory consolidation. Proper sleep can improve your short-term memory and long-term memory both. You are also likely to perform better on memory tests. If you are well rested, you will see the difference in result. Students who read and take rest, and students who read and don't take rest and give test without taking rest. Practice mindfulness. This is my next topic. Mindfulness is used in meditation. but those two are not same thing. Because meditation is a formal practice and mindfulness is a mental habit. Mindfulness is a mental state in which you focus on your present situation. Studies have shown that mindfulness is effective at lowering stress and improving concentration and memory. Try fish oil supplements. From ancient days, food has a very important value to improve memory. Fatty fishes are enriched with DHA omega 3. DHA boosts memory, as studies have shown that people who eat a lot of fatty fish and oil of fatty fish, they score better marks. Spend time in nature. If you want to boost your concentration, every day you can go outside for 15 to 20 minutes. That may be in park or somewhere that place is quiet and mind soothing. Natural environment has always good impact on you. It increases positive energy in you. So this is my today's content. How to improve your concentration. Just practice and follow this. Hope you will get a good result. And comment me how you are improving your concentration. Okay, we will see you on my next video.